Hey y'all, it's your girl Sheep. I've been wanting to show y'all something. I got sick on Christmas night, and here we are in March, and I ain't touched this thing, y'all. How embarrassing is that? So, aside from mental health counseling and trauma recovery, y'all know I'm a content creator, so let me show y'all. This is what I picked up, the DJI Pocket 3. I did have the Pocket 2, but I really wanted this one for the new features and the screen. I can do vertical and horizontal filming now. Y'all know I live in Vegas, those of y'all who follow me. So if I go out and I want to film kind of more discreetly, I got this. So let's unbox it real fast. So first we have this right here. It says DJI right here. Ooh, here go the goods. The goodies all up in here. So this is what she looks like, y'all. I'm so excited. I was waiting for this to come out for a minute, and it's been out for a while. Like I say, I was sick, so. But anyway, I don't know if it's charging enough since I didn't have it for a minute. Let's see. Yeah. I need to get my SD card to put up in here. So this is what I look like in the little camera view on the screen right here. Yeah, sugar. I can't wait to use this though, y'all. And what else is in here? This is the little microphone. And I'm going to show y'all because I picked up a few accessories. So I'll show y'all what I got accessory wise. But the little puff goes on top of the mic, of course. This little piece right here goes on the bottom. Little charging cable. It looks like the C. This is the little puff, the little poofy thing that goes on top of the microphone right here. Just the shorter one right here. And here go the little tripod right here. Little tripod. Super cute. So I might have to try to find me a better tripod than this, but just to sit there and record, as long as I don't need it to be super tall, this will work. This will be okay. Oh, okay. So this is the little lens right here. It just snaps on. So it just snaps on. You take it back off like that. And the pouch is empty, so I can show you now. But I love this little pouch. It's super cute. Very nice and compact. I actually got the creator kit, y'all. I think it's best, like, if you actually create content, to get the creator kit. I will probably get a different case than this right here. This is what I have for now because I don't want it breaking. So, but this is the one it comes with in the creator kit. You get all of this stuff that I just showed you if you get the creator kit. Okay. All right, y'all. So I purchased mine off of Amazon in December, and I got the creator kit. Like I said, you have the option to just get the DJI Pocket 3 itself, or you can do the creator kit like I did. You feel me? So I'm gonna come back and show y'all the accessories and what it looks like when you film and all that. You heard me? All right, y'all. Your girl is about to go. So make sure y'all go ahead and follow your girl if you want to see more. All right. Follow me, comment down below in the comments and let me know, do you have this? Are you considering getting the DJI Pocket 3 and whatnot? Because I want to be all up in the business. No, I'm just playing, y'all. But your girl is about to be down.